So, let's have this motivation talk. If you don't adjust your behavior, expect stagnation. Starts with a small step. Hindi mababago yung sitwasyon mo hanggat hindi ka gumagawa ng paraan. A little step can make a big difference in your life. So you have to plan your day. You go to work earlier. Organize your space. Prepare your tools that you needed and wanted for your work or something. Take initial actions, always. And if you want to regain your control in your life, stop searching for effortless solutions to or easy way out to handle things. There's no easy way out, or there's no effortless solution. There's always a process. There's always a way that you can do. So you have to change first. What is your action? And it starts in a small step. You have to decide. So the change won't come to other people. It starts within you. Everything starts within you, within us. Ignite our power, our will, and our discipline, summoning us back off. And that is the cue for us to take charge of everything. So if you don't adjust your behavior, always expect stagnation. It is important that in everything we do, we adjust our behavior.